The frequency of visit is not a one-size-fits-all at all. One of the great things about my office is with the Pro Adjuster, I'm able to see how a person is reacting to the adjustment and how long they're holding an adjustment. I've got some people that because the stresses in their lives and so many things going on, they need to come in every single week or they can't hold the adjustment longer. I've got others that can hold it for up to 3 months without having to come in. So it really depends on you and your lifestyle. So if you are looking to improve your health and well-being, give us a call at 801-546-0114 or look us up online at www.fordfamchiro.com.